guys, are you using Adobe Premiere Pro and you see this type of error? Means in your desktop font are not installed. Kurti Dev 160 bold and AMS Khadu, in which whatever you have to go on Chrome browser and search your font and download it first. Okay, download it, and after downloading, open it and extract on the folder and install. First of all, you have to close the Adobe Premiere Pro to install the font. Okay, first of all, to close this program, and after that you have to unzip this folder, extract all, extract. Okay, this is opening, and open it, and then install this font on your desktop. Click install. Okay, this is installed, and back to another. So you have to extract this folder for installing, extract all, and open it. It is directly opened. It's working. My PC might be slow. Okay, open it and install it. So click on install. Okay, it's installing. It take some little bit time, and after installing you have to open the Adobe Premiere Pro again. Okay, SM Cardio font is already installed in your desktop. Okay, 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 cut it and open Adobe Premiere Pro again, and you have to see that the problem are resolved. Open your project and see. It's opening. It's take little bit time to open because Adobe Premiere are very heavy software and my PC are very slow. So wait. Okay, it's opening, and you see that the font are already installed and font error are gone. Okay, click offline on. So you see that the error are going. Okay, this is the process of how we install font on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.